Welcome back to another video, and today is the day that a lot of you have been waiting for. We're finally starting all that. Woo! For real starting this time. It's not just gonna be a truck full of parts and an empty shell. So, what we got fabbed up for y'all today is we're gonna talk about future plans of this thing, what all we're gonna do to this thing, and our first task that we have to tackle before we do any of the other stuff. Now, as y'all can see, got a whole bunch of stuff in here. This thing has pretty much just been a storage shed for the past few months.
Oh, poor gal. Yeah, poor gal. Oh my gosh.
Sad day. But hopefully all that changes today. So, as soon as Travis gets here, we'll go over everything that we're about to do, and we'll try to get this thing knocked out.
We can build us a turbo kit today, yeah. Y'all are always like, where's the MudVette? Where's the mud? Did he actually sell it? Oh my gosh.
Thought I left it.
You know, hey, it's finally coming back.
Dodge Cummins.
It's finally coming back. We're gonna do it. We're gonna bring her back. Resurrect the ride that everybody loves more than anything else. The MudVette. So we've got, well, all right, so we've got the mock-up engine in there.
One of them 65 liters that Matthew loves so much.
Yeah, we got the mock-up engine in there because the pretty one, we're just gonna wait to put that in last.
Yeah, we're gonna try to put that same day, hopefully we start up. So we're doing all the prep work first. Set her in, firing the pipes, begin the break-in process.
So today is day one. Official.
Resurrection.
Official day one.
Official day one. Several months, hours.
I mean, that's so exciting.
Led up to this. I'm excited. I hope it goes well. So,
the MudVette comes back. Dun, dun, dun.
We got a MudVette inside and a lot of work ahead of us.
Yes, we do. Let me tell you, that Pro Mod right there is heavy. Yeah.
That's not a Pro Mod. Yeah, it's too short.
Yeah, we don't have a mega cab. It can be a Pro Mod. All right, so first up on the list, we've got new engine mounts because the
air to water
on the intake here. Hey.
Whenever we set it on this Holly low ram, unfortunately it's hitting. Get my short ass up here, right here. We're hoping that those motor mounts, because they're Atomic Fab LT low style motor mounts, we're hoping that that will drop it down enough so we don't have to cut nothing. But if we have to cut something, we're gonna have to cut here back and put like a little swag in it there. So
little swag in it.
We've got the headers as well, turbos, V-band clamps.
What about you turbos? Yes sir, turbos.
Those are billet center section 6975s. I bought these from a friend of mine that Cole knows really well. I've just met him here recently, but I like to call him a friend of mine.
Shout out Austin Pruitt.
They did 1500 on F-150 stock Coyote, so I think that we should be fine with what we've got because we got a little bit more displacement. So these are good
and there's
turbos.
No replacement for that.
They are very, very light. I guess that's the whole difference in the billet center sections and the cast ones. So I can definitely tell a big difference because this truck over here in this far bay has got the damn near the exact same size turbos on it, but his are TDIs and they are way heavier than what these are. Hopefully today we can make some good progress on this thing and hopefully have it back on the road soon. So,
yes, sir.
Yep. Here we go. Hold y'all's nose.
We're gonna get into it. You know what you're doing down there?
No. If they put some hair in it, I'd probably hit it. I think we're ready for one.
Y'all some bad sons of.
Yeah, you got half of it, right?
One out, one in. Hey, now we're on the manette. All right, engine mounts are in.
Yes, sir.
Now we're doing a test fit.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. We're going to see how much this cow we got cut out.
Yeah.
Hopefully all of
We'll
them.
just cut plumb through the windshield.
It fits, buddy.
Golly, Atomic Fab's good.
We're gonna. I mean, it ain't fit easy or the best, but it's gonna fit. We're gonna make it work. Watch this.
Yeah.
Look how rich he is.
Tell him.
ARP.
I bet he's got the sockets to fit them. I don't even have the sockets to fit them.
I don't. I just want to use a wrench.
Channel locks.
Yeah.
Now we're talking.
3 hours later.
Little update.
When he's filming.
It's been 7 hours.
7.
We tracked down
It ain't been that long.
the Amazon delivery guy for these 2 adapters right here.
Came straight from China in one day.
China. We got our headers on.
Yep.
Right there. Hey, that's what they are.
Yep.
The headers are indeed
We're
on.
gonna block these off because we don't need wastegate.
Yeah.
Then we gotta go from there to there.
Not where we're going.
Right there. What about that?
Not where we're going. I don't know any.
See if that fits in that nice.
Oh, you already know. That's right there. There's this right there straight quality.
China to China.
China to China. Don't even work good. We'll just slide them this way.
Oh my gosh.
Right there.
Yes, sir.
Now we
Yeah.
won't look like idiots.
It ain't even round.
Don't have to be.
No,
Yeah.
no, you just feel the gap.
Yeah, and then
Yeah,
we'll
we'll
just
weld it and then grind
we'll just take
it
a
smooth.
Sharpie there, and that's where we'll cut it out so it slides on the inside.
Well door.
Look, put it in there.
What's wrong with that? Clamp a hold that.
Yeah.
That's right.
Luckily, the motor mounts did let the air to water fit without any modifications. Shout out to Atomic Fab for their LT lowering brackets because that did the trick.
Yep.
That's what we needed.
If we didn't have those, it'd been a hammer.
It would.
So once you get this done, we're done, right?
Oh yeah, we're pretty much wrapped up. Two 90-degree bends out the top, 500 shot, good to go. You know, no turbos anymore.
Yes, sir. Straight nitrous rig.
We're really putting these up so when it catch on fire, it don't hurt the trans.
There you go.
That's all we're really worried
There
about.
we go.
Yeah!
Yeah, because you know you're not so shaky.
The real man's got the camera now.
Yes, sir.
What y'all doing?
Plan, blocks.
He's got a slow shirt on.
So I'm gonna have to cut a bunch of it off on that long leg.
Look at him. They over getting it.
Yeah, it's gonna work. I'm gonna cut it all the way off though. Okay.
Travis, you want to tell everybody what we're doing?
Build a turbo kit.
We're practicing building a turbo kit.
This is a good one to practice on.
We ain't never done it before, so
Really?
I watched plenty of YouTube videos. That's how I learned how to tune.
Okay.
So you know,
Oh, yeah.
yeah, I bet.
You gotta put your headphones in before you start. Hey, so we're gonna take this right here,
Yep.
Ching Chong Ling Long,
Yep.
and then we're gonna go to that Ching Chong Ling Long.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna do this probably again, and then all of a sudden it's gonna go, woo choo choo.
Yeah.
And there you go.
But
That's
we're
what
not.
we're
It's
doing.
stainless, but we're not gonna TIG weld it because it takes so much time. We'll run out of time, so we're just gonna MIG weld it.
We got the
Okay.
flux core over there, the Hobart Go Bar.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Gotta get it. My plug calling.
Hello?
Yeah, what
Hello.
up, dog? Watch this. Here's math.
Bad mofo.
Hey, Amazon special, my boy.
HP gets it done every time.
Don't it?
What about that?
I don't know anything of what I'm looking at.
You got your first pipe on there, about to, tacked up, ready to roll.
About to have a hot
You
time.
gonna lay it down like shag carpet in the 70s or what?
Oh my
hope
gosh.
so.
Oh my gosh. He's laying down like James Brown. Come on.
Yeah. Am I supposed to be shaking?
I thought I was shaking. You were
Hell,
supposed to
why
be
is that blue light getting brighter?
You're supposed to just keep staring. at
Okay,
it.
word.
Yeah.
See, I helped. I
So
handed
so
them the
so
tape to
tight.
do all that. Safety squints. Wow, that got really bright.
Weird.
I wasn't looking. But
I asked him if he was ready, and he said yes.
I got shocked on that one.
Oh yeah.
You didn't even move. Good boy.
Yeah.
You're
got
a
that
good
dog in
boy.
him.
Yeah, boy.
All right, go for it. Oh my gosh, I'm getting a call. Cooking.
I am, or you are?
Both of us.
I am too.
Cole's calling Dawson.
Yeah, hey. Let's see what he says. Mr. Payne,
Breakup date.
breakup date.
Breakup date.
What does that mean?
Oh, break update. Break update.
The front brake lines, I blew through one of the old ones, and you can't get air to go through it.
Huh.
So we think that is what makes the front brakes are trying to work now, but it still goes straight to the floor, and the truck still rolls 25 feet to stop. So he's heading to go get all the vacuum stuff.
How are we gonna have the turbos out the hood if we're putting them down this far?
I agree. Well, then we're gonna look like idiots.
That's gonna be gay.
Yeah, then we're gonna look like idiots.
Why would we do that?
How we looking?
Oh yeah, we're looking, son.
What we look like? A nickel or a dime?
2 of them.
2 of them.
Yes, sir. Trying to look for a lot of things.
I think that looks good.
Yeah. We'll take the exhaust, wrap it right down and around. Both sides straight down. And underneath.
You think that right there is gonna get that hog pretty fat?
Yes, sir. I do.
I about busted my ass and fell. Sorry for the bad vibration. Is there anything I can do to help you?
Just look pretty, son. Just look pretty.
Well, I did do my makeup today.
Well,
I can tell you did yours too.
Yeah, well, I did.
You may have put your sister's shirt on, but
Well, that's okay. You're supposed to do that.
what do you think about that?
I think we at least have one of them in there.
I agree.
We may never get the other one in.
No, but
We
one
make-
will
we make
do
good
it.
progress
One will
today.
do it though, won't it?
Yeah.
We just
gotta
leave
move-
the other side
we
open.
gotta move this out of our way.
Yep.
But that's okay. Exhaust's gonna snake right down through there.
Happy.
Golly, you got a big old head, son.
Well, you know. You got a lot of knowledge in there, son. You gonna tack this thing, or do I need to hold this all day?
Is that where you want it?
I don't know. I suppose.
You're moving a lot, so
Oh.
that's why I'm asking.
Well, I'm under pressure, okay? Floor it.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, God, that's bright.
He did not mean to do
I
that.
know he didn't.
He did.
All right, here we go.
For real,
There we
this.
Hey, you gotta turn your gas on, brother.
There ain't no gas, brother.
Damn.
You gonna turn that down. Let's see if it's about a 65 right now.
Damn, Dawson, you look like an idiot.
Oh, that's it.
I'm starting to think King Speed fired you. You didn't quit.
We're gonna need a lot of tacks, brother. We're holding up turbos.
Yeah, it's that compound shit up.
Yeah.
See it?
You want me to pull your cord towards you more? Sound like I had
Why
a
would we do
stroke
that?
mid-sentence.
Okay, that's how he's welding.
I'm glad he finally showed up.
You know, they always say, you may be a fabricator, but if you can't set up a welder, you ain't a welder. You know, we had to show him how to get it set up.
He's over here in the corner on YouTube.
Yeah,
That's what I
Like-
do.
whole way up here, I know he's practicing.
Sorry, everybody, for sucking.
Well, you know, it's okay.
That is a
I'm
touchy,
just-
that's a touchy pedal right
I'm
there.
just glad you just showed up finally.
Well, fine.
Now,
What about that?
start it up, see if the turbo's
All right, go in there and hit the key. Oh, damn, it won't start. The battery's unhooked. Yeah, he's getting it. He's getting it. Look at him, multitasking.
Yes,
Still
sir.
got the hood on, cooking.
Yeah, he's like, let me get...
Let me in there.
Taylor's got my camera, I'm pulling out my iPhone.
Yeah.
Taylor wanted a fin heater reel, so here we are.
We're gonna
That's
have
right, you do as daddy says.
Yeah, oh, he knows how to listen. She's got the gas and the welder and stuff set up. Don't do that again.
First day on the job.
Hey. Why is he shaking so much?
Yeah, I don't know. Getting ready for war.
Yes, sir.
You have to loosen that thing up. Dawson's got a pinhead.
You don't he?
Sure do.
I'm gonna have to make sure I weld this good. Because we're gonna be able to see through them here soon.
All right. Word. Timing. It gets hot 2 more degrees.
Yes, sir. Like our burnout truck.
Yeah.
You know?
Oh, yeah. The blown Hemi.
Yeah.
Oh, look at
Yeah.
Travis out here. Travis laying it down.
Oh,
He
yeah.
got that fire. He got that
Yes,
fire.
sir.
But it gets better. Ooh, son, wait for it. Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Oh, that's fire. That is fire.
That was a practice shot.
You're the man.
I got lucky.
You're the man.
That's the first time I've ever done that.
Yeah, he did a good job, didn't he?
Adam?
Beginner's luck.
Oh, Amazon welder right there to the top.
She'll get her done.
Yeah, can't even buy that one no more. How
Really?
Yes, sir. They done upgraded you to the 225X.
They don't even make him no more.
No, sir. That's why right there. They create monsters.
That's a GMT 800.
That is
Yeah.
oh, I know that's something bad in the moment now.
We got 2 flanges left.
Yeah.
And then we get to mount it up and see what it looks like.
Try not to warp them, make them look like used. I don't know why this thing has an exhaust leak.
Me either. Put more gasket in it.
Yeah. Silicone. Back parts that pretty good. Now go get the hammer.
All right.
Look at that right there. It even fits better now. Just had to have some heat put in it. Let me just snug this bug up right here.
Yes, sir. Juiced up.
By the way, that was on top.
Thumbnail.
Wow. Eating that son. Set her on there, son. See how big of a mechanic you are. She's high right now, but that's okay.
Yeah.
Yep. She got a little gangster lean on her
Got
right
a little
now.
gangster lean right now. That hood definitely ain't shutting right now.
That's when you just leave it loose and slam the hood shut on it.
That's about right.
Man, I'm excited.
I bet you are.
Never thought that the day I bought this truck, that this is where it would end up.
Oh, as soon as I met you, I knew that's where it was in. I figured I'd con you into something.
Oh yeah, no, you got me.
Yeah. I do want to state that this thing literally came here for just a trans swap.
Yeah.
It came for a trans swap, and I tuned the customer's Denali, and he wanted some more go-go juice, and I just sat and seen a blower out here, and Taylor priced it, and now it was gone. So, in other words, if you don't want it to go, price it very high, or don't price it. But it's okay. Now look at us.
Well, it was just more of one of those. Well, while we're here,
Yeah.
Travis looked at me. Oh, ain't 5 bolts holding the motor in, few connectors. Hell, we'll just pull that motor out while it's worth some money, get rid of it. Yeah, look at him over shitty. That looks so good.
You've got a turbo
I have a turbo.
in your Silverado.
I have half of a turbo kit.
You technically have a
Well-
turboed Silverado.
Yep.
I am a turboed Silverado owner.
Yeah, right there's gonna go back there. Exhaust's gonna come right down and around.
And
We'll just take the charge pipes up, I guess.
straight out the damn.
Just right there.
There you go. Now you got it figured out.
There you go. That looks
Yeah.
sick.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Snorkel.
Really? If you start the truck, you have a hairdryer.
Yeah. Stick my head over in there.
Yeah. We ever mentioned Taylor's rich? See that billet? Yeah. He says it's a hand-me-down, but we all knew he bought them new. State?
Force induction don't even know my name, cuz.
They do too. You bought them flanges from. Very happy with it.
Yeah, it looks really good, Travis.
Did a good job, Travis.
Oh, thanks, Dad.
Thank you so much.
So, you know, when other fabricators step in the door, you got to make sure you put in that work. You just got to just be steady.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Clock steady.
Yeah. I seen Dawson. You told me Dawson's coming. I was like, God. I've been practicing for 3 weeks.
Oh, yeah.
That's why I set this date.
Round the clock.
Yeah. I wasn't even really moving shops. Practicing welding.
I mean, honestly, we don't even need to put headlights back in the truck.
Nah, don't need it.
Oh, dude, that is so sick. That looks so awesome. Look how much room there is.
Yeah.
There's tons of room in there.
I think you put 2 of them in there.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at those welds right there. Great job, brother.
Hey, thank you, dude.
Great job.
Oh, yeah. That's what practice gives you.
Travis is the man. Absolutely killing it on this turbo kit. And the hood shuts.
Yeah. Sleeper.
It's a sleeper. I don't know about all the sleeper, but especially when it's gonna have, you know, exhaust on that side,
Well,
some cuts in the top.
well, you know that.
Exhaust
As of
on
right
the
now,
other
it's a
side.
sleeper.
Yeah.
Until we get done with it.
Thanks for watching. Cole loves you, baby.